I just want to ask you, first of all, what is this? I can't hear you. Earth. What is Earth? Come here, please. Yes, who said our planet? Come here, Elena.
Our planet.
Wow, Earth is our planet. More things about Earth? Who lives on Earth?
I live on Earth.
Really? Do you live alone on Earth?
And people.
Oh, people live on Earth. Only people? Who else? Mohsen. Plants. Excellent. People, plants. What else, Joseph?
And countries.
Yes, countries are on Earth, but I'm talking about living things. People, animals, super job. People, animals, and plants, they're living things, right? They will live on Earth. Okay, as I said before, Earth had experienced last week what? And earthquake. It's a compound word, right? It's a compound word. Earth and quake. Earth is the planet, and quake is what? What is quake? Oh my God! Amazing. This means the Earth is. Look at it. It's shaking. Excellent. The Earth is shaking. And how did this happen? Let me tell you something. Imagine Earth like a puzzle. It's made up of pieces of puzzles, okay? Put all together. Let me choose. Come here, Thad. Thad is one piece of this puzzle. Aqib, stand next to him. Now here I have two pieces of puzzles, okay? When those two pieces, they bump into each other, what happened to Aqib? Huh? Yeah, when they bumped, what happened? Yeah, they shook and they fell. And this is how earthquake happened last week. So two pieces of those puzzles, which are called what do we call them? Instead of puzzles, they're called plates. The tectonic plates, okay? What do we call those pieces? Tectonic plates. What do we call them? Tectonic plates. So those two plates, they bump or sometimes they slide next to each other. Okay? Sometimes we don't feel that much the earthquake. This means the pieces are sliding next to each other. But when they bump into each other, what will happen? What will happen? They will fall. That's why when an earthquake is happening, okay, we start what? Come on, let's shake it. Pretend there's an earthquake. Okay, now, what do we do when an earthquake occurs? What do we have to do? Do we panic? Do we scream? Oh my God, where do I have to go? What do we do? Come on, think a little bit. Come on, KT3 over there. Other than Raymond, other than Serena, come on. What do we do in terms of an earthquake? Come on, سمير شو بتعمل إذا صار في هزة أرضية؟ شو بتعمل؟ صرخ؟ لا، شو بتعمل؟ شو بتعمل يا نبيل؟
شو بتعملوا؟ بتضلوا
نايمين بالبخت. شو بنعمل؟
نهرب.
طيب نهرب. وين بدنا نهرب؟ مين بيعرف؟
We have to call a helicopter and hop it into the helicopter.
Do we have time to call the helicopter? We don't have time. It happens sometimes in 30 seconds. What do we have to do? Nora.
We have to go to the mall.
برافو. نروح على معرض بطرابلس. Good idea. That's a good idea. Okay. تقدري احكي يا نورا؟ وصلت المسجد. برافو. What do we have to do? We are stuck at home. What is the first thing to do?
We should hide under the table.
Super answer. We hide under a desk or a table. But it's something really important we have to do while hiding. Who knows?
We have to prepare.
Yeah, we need to be prepared. That's true. Come here. Come closer. KG2. KG1 as well. Can you line up, please, on the white line so I can ask everybody. On the white line. Yes, sir.
I go to my mother.
بيطلع على الملعب. برافو. لأنه الملعب is an open area. Okay, super.
We go to the garden.
To the garden. Okay. Good answers, everyone. But we need to protect ourselves by doing what? Stay over there. Stay over there. By doing what? Listen to me. If we are on the phone, if we are studying, eating, we're in the shower, do we keep doing what we're doing?
No.
So what do we do first?
We have to stop.
We stop. Excellent. We stop. We drop everything we have, right? We stop. And then what do we do after we stop?
We hide.
We need, no, the first thing we do is we,
Cover ourselves.
how?
Repeat our.
Look at Serena. Come here, Serena. Come here, Serena. Show them how. Look at her. Look at her. Look at the position. This is the correct position. We need to hide our head and neck and we drop down. Let's do it. You need to hide with one hand your neck, with the other hand your head, and you drop down. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Imagine there is an earthquake. Wow, amazing. And don't forget to hide under the desk or a table. In this position,
This dress is made of tectonic plates. They move around, shimmy and shake, rumbling ground, things fall and break. Let's get there so we stay safe when the earth starts rock and roll. Drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. The earth starts rock and roll. Drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. Rule number one, make a safety plan. Draw it, talk it, walk it, and practice with your fan. If you feel a quake and you're not awake, stay in bed, cover your head so you don't get an ache. Keep away from windows and broken glass. If you're outside, drop to the grass. Watch out for trees and things that fall, like chandeliers if you shop at any mall. Next, gather these items with your safety kit. Go out and buy, follow this list. Shoes, water, cans of food, flashlight, batteries, and whistle too. Band-aids, movement for boo-boo. Don't forget a radio to hear the news. If you're prepared, don't be scared. Teach your friends, ain't taking a chance. Spread the word, 'cause you can tell everybody everywhere. When the earth starts rock and roll, drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. When the earth starts rock and roll, drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold.
Try to remember to stay calm, even if it feels like everything's gone wrong. Come to your safe zone. You need to stop. Don't be surprised if there's an aftershock.
When the earth starts rock and roll, drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. When the earth starts rock and roll, drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. When the earth starts rock and roll, drop, cover, hold, drop, cover, and hold. When the earth starts rock and roll, drop,